Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see some of the HTML tags. In today's class, we are going to finish action button, how to add the audio, and we will see the frame, as well as we will see some of the tags like header, footer, navigation. That also we are going to see in today's class. Okay. So in previous class, we saw how to make the form, okay, how to add the text box, how to add the label, how to add the radio button, check box. Okay, so in today's class we are going to see the action button. We created the form last class, so we need to add the two buttons. One is for the submit and another for the reset. Okay, and we will add the audio. Okay, we will add the audio also in today's session, and we will see some of the tags like header, footer, navigation, article, section, and aside. And the last one is frame. This is important. Okay, so just I will tell you, like as we have inserted input type is equals to text, value is equals to we have given some of the value like name. Okay, in this format the input type is also, you can add the submit button and you can give the name, the value of that button submit form, or you can give input type reset, value is reset form. Reset means whatever you are going to write, whatever you write in the form, that will be reset, means clear. Okay, I will show you practical. Next one is audio. In the audio we have the body, everything you need to write the body, whatever you want to display on the web page. So this is a test of audio element. Here we have taken audio controls is controls. Then here source, from where are you going to take your file. Okay, src ding dong dot wave. Okay, you can give any file name. What file do you have? Okay, if that file is not supported by the browser, then this message will be displayed, your browser does not support the audio element, and this should be under this audio, opening tag and closing tag. Okay, so this is about the audio, video, and you can add the elements. Clear? So this is a about audio, and I think some of you forget about the element. What is element is nothing but like your browser does not support the audio element. Can you see, this is called like element statement. Okay, between opening tag and closing tag, whatever the data will be there, that is called element. Like see here, source src ding dong dot wave, this is called attribute. Okay, and this is called element. Whatever between the tags, like see, this is also called element. Okay, and this is attribute. Okay, whatever the thing you are going to write in the opening tag, that is called attribute. Okay, whatever the function, whatever the action do you want to give in the opening tag, that is called attribute. Okay, so this is about audio, and you can add the same procedure, you can add the video also. Organize some of the element. This is a collection of new element that assist in organized document in outline of document. Why? If I show you this navigation, article, section, aside, this all will perform the same operation, but browser will understand what the thing is this. Okay, first one is header. See, take the header, used to contain the header content of the site. Whenever you have a header content, if you use the header, the browser can easily understand that. and at the time of outline it will be easily identify what is a header, what is a footer, and what is the navigation and all the things. So here footer, what is footer? Footer contain the footer content of a site, like example designed by, okay, designed by ISL, okay, and something email ID you can write in the footer. Navigation, navigation is containing the navigation menu or other navigation functionality for the page. Example, if you want to give the link, you can use the navigation. If you did not use the navigation, link will also work, but if you use the navigation, then browser can easily understand that this is a navigation and it is functionality to moving from one page to another page, or one page to another website, or one website to another website, okay, like a link or menu. Okay, what is article? Article contain a standalone piece of content, for example a news or story. Example, take the example of Google Chrome, okay, Google Chrome. So you can give some of the news related to Google Chrome, news or story, anything, like it is started in 2002 or something like that, you can tell. Next, section, used to either group articles into different purpose or subject, or to define the different section of a single article. So here the section is also a like same thing, it will display like main heading, then paragraph, main heading and paragraph, okay. So this section is used group articles, you can get the group articles, okay. Next, aside, define a block of content that is related to the main content around it but not central to the page flow. So aside is nothing but this is not a central to the page flow, this is related information like a main content around it. Like when you see the example for this, then you can easily identify all those things. If you did not understand this now, don't worry, when we see the practical, then you can easily understand this. And the last one is we will see the frame. Frame is nothing but like this is a web page, okay, and here 1 2 3, here 1 2 3, okay. What is 1 2 3? Here 3 pages are there, 3 frames are there, then it will be divided like one website, okay, website 1, then it will display website 2, then this is website 3. Why I given this big space for this? Because here it is written 25%, and star means like it will take 25% only, and here 50%. And why it is displaying in the column? Because we have given the column. In place of this, if you give rows, then it will be display 1 2, okay, this is 25 25 and this is 50. So this is W1 W2, website 1, website 2 and website 3. It will display like this if you use the rows, okay. And this should be right in frame set, okay. How do you want to set? If you are writing the column, you need to give 3, 1 2 3, okay. Row or column, how many column do you want? You need to give the value here, 1 2 and 3, okay. So let's go and see the practical. Here first form. In the form, notepad. So here in the last class we saw about the form. I will open. See, in the last class it does not have the submit form and reset form. Example, if I am writing here something, okay, 1 2 3 4 and mail and WAD subject. Okay, I selected, but I want to reset it. When I click reset, it will reset, means all the value is clear. Okay, in the same way, if I am giving this number mail WAD, if I click submit, it is submitted, but it is not going anywhere. And whatever I am submitting, can you see, you can read here, name DF, roll number 123, gender male, subject WAD. Okay, this is all you can read. And by default in the form, as I told you, that will be a get. Okay, and all the things will be displayed here. Because of that, everywhere whenever you create the Google form, in that only it will tell you, don't give your password in the form of form. Okay, in form don't give your password, because that will be revealed here. Whatever you have, you will going to give in this address bar, it will display. Okay, so in the same way, so I will show you the code for this. Here, this is a new code, because previously we completed all the code of the form. Just I added here, input type is equals to submit, value is equals to submit form, and input type is equals to reset, value is equals to reset form. So here, can you see submit form, reset form? If you want to change only submit and reset, just remove the value from here, submit and reset. Now save, go back here and refresh. See, submit and reset. Okay, so this is a simple example for the action. Okay, action and action buttons. Like if you want to go, like I did not use in the form here, I did not um, give the action. Okay, if you give the action, then it will go to the next page. Here example, if I write get, so it will like a asking for the server. When I click here, it may have been moved or deleted, the file is not getting. Okay, like this it will display. So it will go to the, it will look for the files. So this is get or post, it will be, it can be written here. Okay, so this is, I am going to save. Fine. So this is about the form. In the last class we have completed till here. In today's class, just we added the submit and reset button. Okay, next one, what is the next one now? Next one is some of the tags. Okay, okay, audio, we will see the audio. In the audio, I created this here, open with notepad. Here I added the audio code. Can you see here? Here this is a simple code to adding the audio. Only this is a code, that's it. What is that? Audio control is equals to controls source src. What is this? I will tell you. Source src sample.mp3. So I have one file, the file name is sample.mp3. If the file is not there, then it will display your browser does not, sorry, when the file is unable to support by the browser, then it will display the message your browser does not support the audio element. Okay, let's see here. I will open. See, this is the first one. Can you see this first one? So I will remove this otherwise. If I want to remove that, no need to do anything, just write it in the comment, and that will be not display in website, that will not display. Let's see. Okay, let's see here. refresh, everything is gone, only audio. When I click here play, then it will be play, you can listen the audio. And my this Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge is supporting the audio. Okay, so this is simple way to add the audio. But why I have just given the file name? Because where is my file? This tag file in the WAD folder, and tag file in my WAD folder, and the mp3 file also is here only. Because of that I have not given the full source, full path. Otherwise you need to give full path like this. Like this you need to give where is your file, you need to give whole location. Okay, clear here? I have not given this full path because my file is in the same folder. Because of that I have not given the path. So this is the first thing. Next, the section element. Next one is section element. Like we will see one by one: header, footer, navigation, article, section, aside. Okay, so here header. What is header? A heading tag and some additional information here if you want to write here. So this is a header tag, opening tag and closing tag. Okay, so I wrote here opening tag for the comment. So the above tag will be whatever the above elements are there, that will be appear on the web page. Control S, go back here, tags. Okay, this is tag. The section element is a heading here, some additional information. So this is heading, this is header. Okay, this thing we are writing in header. Next is footer. Footer will be in the bottom of the page, or wherever you will write the code, that will appear. So what we are writing here, footer, author, this name, okay, e.g. refuseness, and mail to this example. Okay, you can give in this way, you can give in place. If you did not write the footer also, this will display on the web page. As we did in the previous classes, if we have taken the P without footer also, it will display. Why we are writing in the code like this? To easily identify where is our footer code, where is our header, where is our navigation. Okay, so for easily identification we are writing the tag, and this footer tag is predefined. Footer tag, header, navigation, okay, all are the predefined by the HTML. Let's go and refresh here. See, in this way it will appear the footer. In the same way navigation is there. Navigation means, like if you want to go to the HTML, just click and go to the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python. Okay, and this is navigation from one place to another place, or one website to another website, or one page to another page. Okay, an article. What is article? Article is, as I told you, it is just giving some of the news or a story. So I have taken the example like Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a browser developed by this in 2008. Okay, Chrome is world most popular, so you can write all the things in the P tag. Okay, so if you write this in article, then this is like, it will consider like a news or story. Next, section. In the section I have like WAD history. Web application development is one of the subjects in IT third year. Okay, and here also I have given two sections I have written, so we will see. And I am removing this. And aside is almost similar to section only, but same way, but it will be a like a group of articles. Okay, let's see the output. Here we will see the refresh. See, this is Google Chrome. Google Chrome, what is this? This is an article and this is a section. Okay, and the last one is web application development is on the subject, means last one is aside. Okay, so this is about this all, and we have so many organized elements are there, but this is I am explaining article, section, aside. Okay, next. So the last one is frame. So I hope you understand this. Okay, how to add the audio and what are the difference between section, header, footer, okay, navigation. So let's close this. This is also close. Okay, now we will go to the frame. In the frame, I am opening the frame. See, can you see, if I want to display the 4 pages whatever I have, it will display in this format. Let's go and see the code. Notepad, simple. Can you see, this is a web page is displaying in this full, but what is the code? Only this much. Okay, so what we need to write if you want to make a frame, so this form.html you have to create first. So if I go to my folder here, can you see form.html here? Yes, file. Then radio.html, can you see radio.html? Yes, I have that file. Table.html, yes, table.html I have. First page is also there. I will do one thing, I will remove this all. Okay, I will remove, otherwise I will keep here and I will do the spelling mistake. I will give space. Now see, I save the file and I go back here and I will refresh. Can you see? This? I could not able to see the page because I did the spelling mistake. I did not add here underscore. Okay, so whenever you are giving the file name in the frame, you must know what is a file name in a proper way, otherwise it will not display. Clear? So this is a way. Example, now one more example for this. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 column is taking. Okay, and I am giving 4 forms. Example, if I delete this and if I write 50, how many columns will be displayed? This 25 is 1, this 25 is 2, and this 50 is 3. So only 3 column will be displayed. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are there. When I do refresh, it is not reflected. Why it is not reflected? Whenever you see this star here, that means you did not save the file. You need to save the file. Control plus S. I save the file and this star is gone now. So if I refresh now, see 1, 2, 3, only 3 column. But how many pages, how many forms I am giving here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But only 3 forms is appearing. Only 3 HTML pages are appearing on the web page because I have given only 3 columns. Okay, because of that it is displaying, and you can display 25 here and you can display 50 is middle. Let's go and see, refresh like this. Okay, whatever the frame you want to make a large, you can make it in the form of percentage. Okay, so this is about 25 comma 25 percentage. Control S, and let's see, we will get the 4 column. Okay, 1 2 3 4 column and 4 website, and you can see all the website. Clear? If you want to make it this in the form of row, okay, in the form of row, as I shown you here, this is window 1, window 2, window 3. Like if you want horizontal, like in the form of row, you need to go here and just you need to change ROWS. ROWS. Control S and go back here and do refresh. See, 1 2 3 4, and here the scroll bars. If you want to go come back, okay, so you can use all the functionality in the form of frame. So in the today's lecture we have completed HTML. Okay, in the next class we will going to use the CSS. Okay, we will going to see the CSS. Okay, and in the coming class, maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we are going to conduct the doubt session, doubt clarifying session. Okay, and everyone has to like and subscribe the channel, and thank you very much.